Hello, guys. Good morning. And today's weather is beautiful. Like, I love the weather. You guys know, मतलब अगर रात में बारिश हुई है उसकी अगली सुबह it's that dreamy, like हल्की हल्की हवाएं चलना and it's not too sunny. It's pleasant weather. I love it. I love it. Comment में बताना how many of you actually love this kind of weather because I personally just crazily this love it a lot. और थोड़ी सी ठंडी भी लग रही है थोड़ा. So I'm like थोड़ा सा cover up कर लेते हैं because it's actually a little chilly. So, yeah, I have a full day today. So, I'll tell you what will be in the vlog today. So, breakfast, balcony mein, and then I will wake my daughter up, get ready for her school, send her to the school, work out, and then shoot, and then lunch. So till afternoon, it will be there in the vlog. Hopefully, next vlog I'll do the evening routine, but I'll do today the morning to afternoon routine. So this is much the like this is what every day for me till Monday to Friday it is like this. I wake up, breakfast, send my daughter to the school, shoot, and then lunch, and all of those things keep happening. It's on repeat. There is nothing new happening in my life. This is what pretty much 80% to 90% of my life. So, yeah. And like, trust me, guys, this awesome pocket, whoever wants to be a creator, if you want to invest in anything, invest in Osmo Pocket 3. It'll do your reels, it'll do your YouTube, it'll take your photos. It's like a combo. It's like, and take combo, like creators combo. Do not take the other one because the creator combo offers you a lot. I completely in love with this, especially the mic is also super nice. So, this will be my suggestion. And also, I'll show you guys today कि जब मैं shoot कर रही हूँ and I have pretty much a lot of clothes also to show because आज मैं सारे Amazon से जो मैंने clothes खरीदे हैं like dresses, tops, I would really like to show you guys like kurtas. Oh God, you guys will absolutely love it. So let's get into the video now. हेलो एवरीवन सो आज हम व्लॉग शुरू कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द शूट वेयर आई एम शूटिंग फॉर माई दिस इंस्टाग्राम पेज जो कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट फैशन इट्स ऑल अबाउट मेकअप इट्स ऑल अबाउट ज्वेलरी शूज and my life also in it. So basically, I'm building this entire Instagram page, which is recently I have create kara hai. It's been just a month, and I'm like trying to build that page, and I'm shooting for that. But before I get into the shoot, I would like to show you guys कि मैंने actually क्या मंगवाया है और किस चीज़ का shoot कर रही हूँ उसके पहले I will do Amazon kurti haul so that you guys can check it out and I will give you all the links in the description so you can have all the happy shopping time because I know गर्मी हो रही है तो कॉटन तो ज़रूरी है बट आई ऑल्सो गिव यू कॉटन के कुर्ते बड़े अमेजिंग एंड ऑल अंडर 600 रुपीज आई थिंक 600 to 800 रुपीज के से अंदर होगा मोस्टली 600 के अंदर है आई हैव गॉट अमेजिंग यू गाइज विल लव इट सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द Amazon कुर्ती हॉल शो यू कि मैं एक्चुअली शूट कर रही हूँ कहाँ पर hold on. So this is my area where I'll do the shooting. I like the background. So let's set up the light and everything so that it's like a proper shoot scenario.
पे मैंने सारा सेटअप कर दिया है एंड मैं इसको शूट करना भी शुरू हो चुकी हूँ। सारे कुर्तीज जो 6 मैंने अमेज़न से मंगवाई थी एंड ट्रस्ट मी मुझे इतना मज़ा आता है ना शूट करने के लिए। आई एम लाइक यार आई कैन डू दिस ऑल डे एंड ऑल नाइट लॉन्ग। ट्रस्ट मी आई लव क्रिएटिंग अ कंटेंट फॉर यू गाइस।
बहुत सारी कुर्तियां हैं, you guys will absolutely love it. Let me show you guys one by one and I'll clip my mic here so that is easier for me also to showcase, ताकि मेरा दोनों हाथ फ्री रहेगा तो मैं फटाफट तुम लोग को दिखा सकती हूँ। सो इतने रुको 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 रुको, सारे मैंने कपड़े मंग उप्स इतने सारे मैंने सूट्स मंगवाए हैं। सबसे पहला आई विल शो यू दिस जो ऑलरेडी गिर चुका है। सो दिस कुर्ती आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मैक्स बट अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon, of course. So I got a size up because I wanted a loose fit and I like it यार। मतलब गर्मी में तो loose fit is only the best option, I genuinely feel. And yeah, let me show you the whole thing. All right, let me put the camera in a proper place. Okay, थोड़ा और नीचे करना पड़ेगा कैमरा। Okay, so this is the one, थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है but I have got like a baggy so that when you wear like a skinny jeans or something like that, a top kurta would be the best I feel. And look at the hand. I love the color combination यार। I mean this time ना अगर आप Mac store पे भी जाओगे you will get amazing summer collection because when I checked it online they are amazing. The price point also really good. So look at that. And it has this stretchable, हाथ में ना ऐसे कफ टाइप का बना रहेगा and this is so good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the back also. Look at it. Look at the print yaar, especially this print. My heart is on the print and the color combination, green and the pink, goes really well. And let me show you the next one. Okay, I think I loved everything that I shopped, but look at this, white and blue. Look at this. I love this neck. Oh God. And थोड़ा सा हाथ में भी ऐसे बना हुआ है. Indigo print, which I absolutely love it. And this is also again a short kurti. This is not like a long kurti, but when you wear it, it's gonna look so good. I'll also show you once I'm like putting it on and I'm shooting it also, so that you can get an idea कि पहनने के बाद ये कैसा लगता है. So next, I would show you guys this. Look at, मैंने सारी बड़ी साइजिंग ली, तुम लोग को लग रहा होगा कि यार इतने बड़े बड़े कुर्ते ले लिए, but I like a baggy feel and then you have like a jeans or a legging and then you rock it. So this is the another one. I'll show you the print. Look at the print and look at the hand. This is, I think it has a button here. Here, this one. This is so good. And everything is cotton. So you're going to feel very easy breezy. You're not going to feel like ये कुछ अलग कपड़ा है, गरम लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. No, you're going to have a lot of fun in this. But I'll also suggest कि please बड़ा साइज ही लेना because you will feel so good. और इसके बाद जो मैं तीन दिखा दिए, तीन और कुर्ती दिखाऊंगी ना, तुम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला है because वो सच्ची मेरा दिल आ गया था उस पे. It's like a full sleeves. Hold on. And the material is super soft, super light, pure cotton. So this is the number one. Again, this is like a short kurti. It's like a really short kurti, but I like it. and the hand is full sleeve. Look at the print. सो यहाँ पे ना ऐसे वो जो चूड़ीदार टाइप का बन जाता है ना, सो इट इज एक्चुअली दैट। आई शो यू पहनने के बाद एक कैसा फिट आ रहा है। लुक एट इट, लुक एट दैट। मेरा फेवरेट होने वाला है, बट इसमें दो और कलर्स और पैटर्न्स हैं। लेट मी शो यू द स्क्रीन वन। ओह वाओ, look at that, look at the sleeves. यहाँ पे ना बटन है सो दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक इट लाइक अ प्रॉपर, वो चून बोलते हैं ना उसको, क्या बोलते हैं, और कमेंट करके बताना व्हाट यू गाइज टेल इट। आई टेल यू, एक्सप्लेन यू कि मैं किसको चून बोल रही हूँ और क्या बोल रही हूँ। सो यहाँ पे जैसे फैब्रिक गैदर हो जाता है ना, वो उसको कहते हैं। सो look at the neck, and it has this tying thing here, like as you can see. Love this, super lightweight cotton. You guys will love it. And the last up is the red one. There has to be a pop of color. Look at that, look at it, and look at this print. This is beautiful. If you wear it, you are, I think this kind of a fashion used to be, you know, बहुत पहले हुआ करता था यार ये वाला fashion, जो कुर्ती and jeans, and I don't see anymore. People are not wearing so much. They are all into like how I'm wearing, like more into office wear or like, you know, shirt, trousers kind of a situation. But I am a pure Indian person. I want my kurtas, I want my ethnic, I want my sari, I want my suit. I love them a lot. So I think also wearing Indian dress makes you feel super confident, and also you look chic and amazing and you feel like put together. So yeah, that I would like to show you guys. Look at that. You can pair it with any other color of the jeans that you want to pair it with. But I am loving the neck and I love the hand and the indigo print. Too good. Love this. So let's try out the another one. So ये रहा दूसरा वाला. Look at that. Oh God, I love the sleeves. Look at that. I love the print too. It is like amazing, classy. I love it. I think this is going to be my everyday go-to, you know, top, and this is what I'm going to wear it also. Regardless, it's a full sleeve, but the material is super soft, super light, and you're not going to feel hot. I am giving you this, you know, suggestion bolo. Guarantee nahi de rahi hu main, because every person is different. But this is how I feel it and I like it also. Look at that. कॉलेज के टाइम पे ना मैं ऐसी कुर्तीज़ बहुत पहनती थी और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था, एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई यूज्ड टू लव इट अ लॉट. ये हमेशा ना मेरा कॉलेज का यही होता था, ड्रेस बोल लो, बिकॉज एवरी डे टू गो टू कॉलेज एंड देन मैं यही पहनती थी, मतलब इस टाइप की पैटर्न पहनती थी. और तब मैं थोड़ा चबी भी थी, तो इस तरह सब कुछ कवर भी हो जाता था, तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता था ये वाला. बट देन I am still loving this one, and I am stocking on this kind of a top more. So I'm going to shop more and show you guys because I love this one. I don't know about H&M, Zara or something, but Amazon is always my go-to place. I do shop, you know, H&M का here and there. So मैंने 20 रुपए की भी shopping करी थी. I'll show you guys here. You can go and check the vlog as well. I'll give you the link of that vlog in the description. But Amazon has always my number one go-to platform to shop, actually, because under budget, good quality, and comes fast at my doorstep. So yeah, let me show you the another one. So here is the another one. As you can see, I love the color because it screams summer vibe. Look at that. Look at the print. Ah, I love this. Amazon has done a really good job. And under like 600 rupees, why not? I think this will be under 400 something rupees, I'm guessing. But I love this. So let's try the another one. Alright guys, so I told you कि मैं पहन के दिखाऊंगी, and how is this going to look? Look at that. It is so nice. When I was shooting the reel also, I felt like, wow, the material is so good. Like literally so good. Look at that. Let me give you the full look. Look at that. Let me show you guys the another one as well. Guys, this is the second one. Look at that. Oh wow. Super light है यार कॉटन के लिए मतलब सॉरी समर के लिए सुपर नाइस कॉटन फैब्रिक. ओ गॉड लुक एट द हैंड्स. इसको मैं कह रही थी कि चून हो जाती है यहाँ पे जो फैब्रिक बहुत सारा आ जाता है ना. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू गाइस एक्चुअली कॉल इट बट दिस इज व्हाट आई लव इट ऑल्सो एंड आई लाइक इट. यहाँ पे ऐसे टाई कर सकते हो आप. आई लव द नेक. Oh God. I think if you want to wear jeans, please wear short kurta because it looks so nice. I love this. Look, gives me the Rajasthani look actually. Look at that. Let me show you the another one now. So guys, this is the last one. I think I love this one a lot. Look at that. Why not? I love the color combination. And this is from the brand Max, but I got it on Amazon, as you guys already know. Look at that. I love the color combination. The pink and the green. It's too good. And the quality is also good. I like the cotton fabric, the lightweight, perfect for the summer. And yes. So if you like any of the product, I'll give you all the links in the description. Go check it out if you like anything and shop your heart out because गर्मी तो आ चुकी है but गर्मी के कपड़े कहाँ हैं? Go check it out in the description. So before you go anywhere, subscribe and keep watching the next video because there is so much of vlogs, so much of life happening. Go check it out and don't forget to follow me. And also, I'll give you all the social media link in the description. Don't forget to follow these two Instagram channels, which is fashion and the homepage. You will get a crazy content, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So bye bye for now. Keep watching the next video.